It looks like you guys need a hearing on this matter. Do you have documents that you plan to present as evidence? And I need you to unmute for me, Mr. Nutter.
I do have a document, Your Honor. It's from the Henry County Tax Commissioner's Office, whereas they refused to register the vehicle because it should have been sold, and it's listed as part scrap derelict vehicle only.
Okay, is that something that you've already attached to your complaint, or is this a new document?
This is a new document, Your Honor.
All right, are you able to send it in to us as far as like via email or anything like that, or is it a printout?
I
Okay.
have it here.
Yeah, I can't see it that way.
Okay. Take a picture of that on your phone and give me a pen so I can get the email address.
All right, and that email address will be placed in the chat box for. And you
Okay, wonderful, Your Honor.
And Mr. Musa, do you have any documents that you plan to show?
No, I don't have any documents else beside of that one where I send it. The one that I. Mhm.
Which one? The one you attached something to your answer?
Yes.
Okay. All right, looks like it's your answer. Do you have any evidence that you wanted to present?
No, I don't have any evidence else beside of that one.
I just want to make sure when you're saying that one, are you talking about the answer that you filed?
Yes.
Okay, because that's just your answer. That's not any evidence, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have any evidence that you
No,
need.
just actually I give him the title. He has the title. I give him the title.
Okay, but do you have any evidence that in your possession that you need to show the court?
Yeah, I don't have. I don't have anything else because I don't have anything that is. I don't have it.
Okay, I just wanted to check.
Okay.
All right, stand by for me, and as soon as we receive the document from Mr. Nutter, we can get started. And Mr. Nutter, we can start with what amount you're asking the court for, and then why you believe Mr. Musa owes you that amount.
Yes, ma'am. I was asking for $1,750. $1,400 was the purchase price of the vehicle. $350 was repairs that I had made to the vehicle, and then the $89 court fee.
All right.
The reason that I filed the case, Your Honor, is I did test drive the vehicle. I did know there were issues. I agreed to take care of those issues. However, when I went to the DMV to get a temporary tag because I could not get it through emissions, I was informed that, one, I could not get a temporary tag if temporary tags are only for vehicles that already have a license plate on them. And the lady said, "Let me see your title." I presented her my title. She typed in the VIN number and said, "We have more problems. That vehicle should have been sold for parts, scrap, or derelict only. You cannot register this vehicle."
Got it. All right, and did you speak with Mr. Musa after you left the title company?
I sure did, yes, ma'am. And he kept telling me he would call me back. Then one of his friend's wives was going to call me back, and it just started getting a little bit of a runaround, and so I had to purchase another vehicle, Your Honor.
Got it. All right, and you did have evidence that you wanted to present?
Yes, ma'am. The document that I just had emailed to you from the Henry County Tax Commissioner's Office, where they said they are unable to register the vehicle. It's labeled as parts, scrap, derelict, and it cannot be registered in the state of Georgia.
All right, and one quick question. What is that listed at all on your title that you received?
No,
from Mr. Okay.
There's nothing on the title indicating that it was scrap.
Got it. All right, so what I'm going to do is, Ms. Shotwell, if you could do me a favor, I'm going to turn my camera off and step away for a second to allow Mr. Musa an opportunity to review the document that Mr. Nutter emailed. And if you could just share your screen with that document, and then I will come back and ask Mr. Musa if he has any objection to me viewing the document, okay?
Okay, will do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Musa, have you been able to view the document?
Yeah, I'm just viewing right now.
Okay, no problem.
I'm viewing right now, yes.
All right, Mr. Musa, do you have any objection to me viewing the document?
Yeah, I mean, okay, yeah. So is
Well,
the,
well, before you start, I'm not asking for your defense. I'm asking if you have a legal objection to me not being able to see the document. I'll let you respond to the claim. I'm just asking particularly about the document.
okay, for the document that you just put it, that's what you was asking for me?
Yes, I'm asking, do you have a legal objection for a reason that I cannot view it or accept it as evidence?
Oh, okay, so, I mean, is the, I just see that it said the title. I mean, I mean, I don't understand your, I mean, your question exactly, but I mean,
Okay.
so,
All right, so Mr. Nutter is trying to enter that document into evidence as part of his claim. He wants me to consider that document when making my decision. So I must ask you if you have an objection to me accepting that document. But it has to be a legal objection, meaning there's some legal reason why that document should not be into evidence.
I mean, that one is the, I don't know, that one is the, but he take it, he take it, I mean, I sell the car, is, as is.
Okay, so
As
you're giving
is.
me your defense.
Yeah,
So I'm assuming that you
I
don't
sell the
have an
car
objection.
as is. I sell the car
Okay,
as
Mr.
is.
Musa, Mr. Musa,
And,
I'm going to let you speak second with your defense, okay?
okay.
All right, that document is admitted. Mr. Nutter, you may continue.
Yes, ma'am. And that's the reason that I filed the claim, Your Honor, not because of the mechanical condition of the vehicle. Basically because I cannot register the vehicle.
And that was not disclosed to you, correct?
No, ma'am, it was not.
All right, Mr. Musa, is that concludes your evidence in your case, Mr. Nutter?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
Your Honor, it does.
Okay, Mr. Musa, do you have any questions for Mr. Nutter, or do you want to just give me your side of the story?
I mean, he was first. He told me when he contacted me, he told me that I mean, we went and then I mean, they refused to register the vehicle, and then I said okay. Then I was I was trying to help
Wait, back
him.
up for me. Slow down a little bit for me. You say he refused to do what?
No, they say that he found out that when he take it to the DMV, he found out that the car is not is, I mean, in the branded title, or it's not, they're not registering. And then I say, okay, so give me the information of the car, and then I want to find out if we can fix it, we can figure out something. That's what I was, that's what I was working for him to find out we can fix it, and then he can get the title. Then he didn't wait, and I have somebody that is trying to meet with him, and then until I want to fix it, and or figure out to make the title. If I want to go to the DMV and see if we can do something to title is, until I want to make sure that is he cannot get the title or not, because I don't know, maybe he just saying it. So when I say when I trying to working, then he just stopped, and he said, if I don't, I need to get my money back. And then I told him I don't have money right now. I want to try to fix it for you. And then he just that's why he went. That's why he went to the he went, he went, and then he went, he just come to the, he just say, that's what the decision that he made it, he come to the court. So, and then I sell the car as is, and then the price that even I give him, that's the price that was, is the price is he's supposed to, whatever he has, he's supposed to fix it. That's what I sell the car as is price.
Okay,
So, and then he said he's going to fix anything that he want to go to do it, he will going to fix it. That's what he told me. But even though I was trying to help him to get the title, but
okay,
and then he went, so.
okay. All right, Mr. Nutter, do you have any questions for Mr. Musa?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Okay, and Mr. Musa, you do understand that he's not, he doesn't have an issue with a repair issue. He has an issue that he can't register the car
Yeah,
because
that's what.
you weren't supposed to sell it. It's for scraps. It was to be sold for scraps.
Because I wasn't know that it's crap, because it has title. I wasn't know that one even. And then just when I sell it, but I sell it like as is. The price is very low price. The car is very, but he told me that he's going to fix everything. That's the reason that I sell the car, and then he was going to take care of everything. But even though when he didn't get the title, and he didn't get the registered, I was trying to help him, and then I texted somebody, and then he looked, and then he said the title is can be done. But I mean, just we have to do something. But I was trying to help him, even though I was trying to help him to get the title and to go register it. But he doesn't want. He wanted his money back. And then I sell the car as is. That's what he
Okay,
went back, and then that's what he did.
Gotcha. It's my understanding that when you're saying they're trying to fix it, they would not give him a title because of the status of the car. So that's not, sounds like something that can be fixed. So what do you mean by that? You were trying to
No,
help him do what?
Is to get the title. When they get the title, then he will fix it. That's what they fix. They fix it. They fix the title so it can work.
To fix the title, but the title says that it can only be sold for scrap, so you can't fix the title. What, or maybe I'm
So,
not
but
understanding what you're saying.
because they can I think they have way to do it again. That's what I was trying to find out, but he just went back, and this I was trying to work him, but he was, he said he wanted his money back, and then I don't have money back that time. I used the money. I don't have the money back, and then I told him I don't have the money back. So, and then I said, look, our as is for you, and then you said you're going to fix everything. But even though I was trying to, I was trying to see, I was trying to take it to the, I was trying to go further to find out exactly what is going to be, if it's going to be done or not.
If what's going to be done or not.
I mean the title, the registration.
Okay. All right. Any final argument, Mr. Musa?
Is there any final? I'm trying to fix the car for him to get the title. That's what I can do. That one.
Okay. I don't know what you mean by fix the car. That's the part that I'm having
No,
trouble with.
I mean the title that has the problem that is not getting the title. I can fix it. If
Fix
it's not,
what?
huh?
What can you fix?
Because if they said if it's not, they scrap the car. If it's good, you got to take it to the DMV back to find out the car if it's good. If it's good, then you can. I mean, they can fix it back, and they can. I think they're going to put it back to the road.
That's not how that works, sir. Mr. Nutter, do you have any final arguments?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
All right, I am going to issue a judgment in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of $1,750 plus $89 in court costs. Mr. Musa, you do have 30 days if you would like to appeal my ruling, but you must do so within 30 days of today's order to the state or superior court of this county, okay? Any questions for me? Mr. Musa?
No, I don't have a question again.
What about you, Mr. Nutter?
No, Your Honor.
All right, well, you all are excused and you will receive a copy of my order.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You all have a great day.